So I'm going to use the blocks or the body again that I want to make the collar for, and that's how it works. Is that him on the back?
Yes.
So cute. I've chosen a block here for exercise purposes. It's not a real garment, like I said. Let's make the garments first and then make the collars to go on them. But I chose one that didn't have the dart up here for simplicity purposes. From this shoulder line, I'm going to measure 4 inches. Just going to put a line, a reference point. And I'm now going to take my back block, bringing my neck shoulder points together and pivoting. I can't even pivot that much. How much? 4 inches.
Isn't that too much?
It is a lot.
You have to pivot more.
No, even then.
Even then. Okay.
No, like that.
There it is. Okay, so I'm supposed to touch, pivot my block. So do you see what that does? That pivoting opens and closes that circle, that neckline. I'm going to open it quite a bit. 4 inches here. I don't think I could even overlap any more than that, okay? So just put a line, a big healthy line so you can see it, because you're going to have the other block on top and you're not going to be sure where it's going to hit. So when it touches that 4-inch location, now I'm going to start tracing the neckline. I'm going to take some of this neck, the back neck with me, and down the center back a bit. Okay, and you can see that I kind of sort of have a shape here for a neckline edge. I could even write this here. Would that help? Sure. And this I know is my shoulder. Okay. Alrighty, how wide? 2. Now what they're doing is they're going up here a little bit and then down here a little bit so we can get a nice smooth shape. Let's just see how their little formula works. They want me up at the center back. I can't do it with these markers. They're not precise enough. I need up. They'll let me do that. And then they wanted me down at the center front here. 1/4, right? So I'm going this way. Here I went this way. Oopsie. Let's see how this works with my curve and if I can get... No, I want to come up there. Get this sort of lumpy, bumpy bit out of the way. Or smooth. Yeah, okay. I think I got it. There it is. And what the heck am I going to draw with now? Blue.
Mary,
Yeah.
I have fine-tipped Sharpies. Do you want to try using that?
You know what my thoughts are on that. They get flattened out and poopy. So I need to start with that nice neckline. From that nice neckline, or not so nice neckline, I can then just measure and apply the width of the collar that I want. Keep the blue. What do they want? 2.5 for this one. I've done my neckline. I know where my center back is. I know where shoulder, and I'm done. That's the foundation. I'm just going to measure. I got too much paper here. And I'm going to need it for what?
The collar.
Under collar. So, where am I? 2.5?
Two and a half.
Yeah, 2.5. Center back, 2.5. Is that 2.5? 2.5. 2.5. 2.5. Starting to look like a Peter Pan. Now she did those. That was in the Wednesday's class, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
The pattern making too. But she didn't do the undercollar.
I know. This one she doesn't teach pattern making too. Sorry.
Maybe you have to teach pattern making too.
Here we go. I would love to, and I would have taught it last semester, but did anybody sign up?
What did I know?
What did you know?
You're such a great teacher.
Okay, I'm gonna make the little shape now. There it is.
Ah, clever.
Oh,
so
now we
clever.
can see what's what. Now we can see what we're looking at. So I have to do it on the blocks, with the blocks. One I use measurements, one I use blocks. They're both fine, they're good. But then I would have to take this off, put my 3/8 and then make a under collar. So two, yeah.
To the center part, you went down a 1/4 inch. And to
Yes,
that,
sweetie.
How far out did you go from the center back?
Just a second, let me write that because I'll forget it again. No, 1/4, right? I'm sorry, what were you saying? I went up 1/8. Yeah, it's all in the book. I stuck to the book. Okay, so here's the collar. And what this collar does, because I overlap so much, that overlapping, I took a big chunk out of here, like a dart almost, right? Did you see me
Yeah.
overlapping? That's gonna cause this, there's only so much space here, right? If I shrink this way, it forces, it'll climb.
Fold over.
It climbs up because from here to here to here, as I go, it gets bigger and wider, the circumference around. You understand? So it's forcing that collar. That's not the ideal way, I think, to do with collars, but that's what happens, and it gives it a little bit of a stand. If you want a stand, you don't go to a convertible collar. That's what I would say. Okay?
So you go to the basic.
I would go to, yes, to the wait a minute, did I say that right?
You said no. You said it the.
To the non-convertible.
Non-con-
Yeah, I would go to the convertible. And you'll see here on the pages, we did the most extreme one. They overlapped 4 inches, then a little bit less, the 2, and then even a 1/2 inch, which is for a little one, that would be like that one. That's a flat collar, okay?
So remember those shirts from Don Cherry?
Oh my God, that's got,
That's a 2-inch fold or something.
yeah,
like
that's
double fold.
ridiculous. But it's not, that would be another shirt,
Okay.
more, not the basic shirt collar, but the shirt collar. But very extreme, yeah, see what they've done? They built a whole thing out of it, out of his collars and his crazy jackets, and who makes his stuff? Locally, they make it, yeah.
So sorry, just to double check, the one that we just did with the 4-inch
Overlap?
that one's going to rise
That's
up a
the
little
full-
bit.
Yeah, that's the 1-inch
The full one.
stand.
And the
That's the,
flattest is the 1/2 inch.
yes, exactly. So let me trace them off so I show you how to do these properly, guys. Because then you'll throw it in my face, I'm sure. Well, you didn't trace it. So now I'm going to trace.
In pattern making 3, we'll bring it up. We'll
Your
dig it up.
game. Oh, now I'm jealous. Now I want to teach pattern making.
Who teaches pattern?
Well, huh?
Who teaches pattern making?
I teach it, but I just gave it away to someone. We'll see.
What all you teach in that, Mary?
I can't teach everything, people. That's the problem. I developed all these subjects. I wrote them. They come out of my little head. Teeny tiny. No wonder it's empty now. And cuckoo. Nothing left. All right, so I'm going to take this one. It's going to be my top. So I'm going to take it the way it is. I'm going to take it. Self pieces should be done in what color?
Top pieces?
Self
Pieces.
Black.
black. So I'm gonna take this one in black.
So the first one.
I'm not gonna make you do 3. I'm just gonna make you do the 2.
The first one we did was the undercollar. No,
Which one?
the one you drew on the block. That's not the undercollar.
She's making it right now.
You are making the undercollar now.
No,
right?
I'm making the top collar. I'm taking it off the draft because it's still part of my blocks and pieces coming together.